Hello guys, welcome back. NLBA Software will now reach EV2300 and EV2400. A good clone of EV2400 can be ordered from AliExpress. Now you can see it's only $4. You can order and work very good with software NLBA1. This is my original interface. I will test now. For that you need to download software from site from laptopu.ro. You have a link for download. Also, you can use forum. It's a good support from there. Now, I will activate a battery from DJI. I connect my interface, my EV2200, 300, sorry, and I use the software to activate the battery. For that, you need to connect interface. I connect EV now. You can see. I just read battery. I stop read. I go to tab reset. New reset. Read is next. You select DJI chip. For that, you can see there you need a license for this. You can buy this license from laptopu.ro. You have a price for license. This for laptop, and this license is for DJI. It's very good price. You can reset battery without any limit for 2 months. Now I go back to software. Right. Select DJI chip. Next. I need to unseal this battery. Now I read chip info. Battery is unsealed. PV status is 5 in my case. Now I clear errors. I unseal again. I read again. Now status of permanent fail is 0. After that, I will seal battery, then exit. I go to battery info. I read battery, read once. I try to power on battery. I power it. I read again. Yeah, battery is unlocked. I will try to connect charger to battery. I want to see if it's charged. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. Now battery is charging. You see milliamperes. This is all. Battery is charging.